Hi friends, this is a quick tutorial on how to schedule events on via calendar on Teams. As you can see that there is the calendar option over here on your left hand side corner. So you can just go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, the calendar opens up. Well, this is a consolidated view that the Teams provide. Which means that if no matter whichever teams you are added to, or you have organized a team or added a team, you will get a consolidated view of whatever events or whatever classes have been scheduled on this one calendar itself, with different tiles or different colored tiles as per the settings that you have. So to start off a new meeting, you have to just go and click on new meetings. This page opens up. You can add the title to the meeting. That will be, you can change the date. Um, which is 10 to 10:30, and go ahead and add a channel. So I'm adding the PYP SST channel itself because all of us are included in the channel. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, the general option appears. Click on general. So all the participants of the team get a notification that they have been added to this particular class that's scheduled from 10 to 10:30. Um, if you wish for if you wish to add someone who is not a part of this team but a part of your organization, you can go ahead and type their names over here. So I would just add a homeroom who is not a part of the SST team. uh, okay, I have added Anjali over here. So she's not a part of the SST team, but she will be visiting faculty for this meeting that would be happening. So but she's a part of the organization, so I'll able to add her over here. Well, then I would go on to the to adding this option, which is like the frequency with which the meeting occurs, whether it's a one-time meet, or it does it happen every weekday from Monday to Friday, or does it happen daily, or does it happen weekly. You have to choose. So say this happens only on Mondays, every Mondays from 10 to 10:30. So I'll just go ahead and click on weekly. If it happens daily, you may just click on daily option, so that automatically from 10 to 10:30 this tile would be auto generated on your calendar. So say if it happens, for me it will happen weekly, as SSTs, our classes are scheduled once a week for every class. So this is the most feasible option that we have to select upon. You go ahead and add location over here. Okay, you can go ahead and type a particular message if you wish to, for the for the tile to display. So attend occurs, sorry, every Monday from 10 to 10:30 a.m. Attendance is, sorry. So I go ahead and do this. So attendance. So this is what the message for the meeting would look like, and then I go about and just send it. Okay, and if I go to my calendar, scroll up, so you can see this is the meeting that has been assigned for 10 o'clock. If I want to make any changes or edit the meeting, I can just go and click on that and change anything that has to happen, and make any other changes that's there. You can see all the I have organized a meeting. Of course, a notification to all the members have been received, and to the meeting, the only person who's not a part of the meeting, that's unknown, is showing is Anjali Motwani, who is being invited as a guest. Okay, now if I want to go ahead and send the link to the meeting to someone who is not a part of the organization, I just have to copy this, press Control C, and send, and I paste it on mail on a mail and just send it across, or also generate the link. This is the link that's generated. You can paste it on WhatsApp too. One thing we have to keep in mind, that we the rights that we want for the attendees to have. So we have, for that purpose, we have to go and click on meeting options. Click on the meeting options. Okay, a new tab opens up on your browser, and over here, where it's asking you that who can present, or who does have the rights to present, you have to just go on that, click on the drop down menu, and make only me. That's only me, that's only you can present. And while during the meeting, if you want to give any presentation rights to anyone, you may just type it on the bar and give them the rights. So I'll show. Yeah, so I just explained what this means, who can bypass the lobby. People in your organization would like to keep it like that, because probably your coordinators or head of departments would like to, come to your classrooms and, just walk into your classroom and see how the class is being organized. So they would have to have, you have to have been given them the rights to do so. So if you want to get notified, like when they would enter the class, so you have to just go ahead and click on this. Or if you don't want to be notified, and just like keep it a surprise for whenever they want wish to come, and you're pretty confident about what you're doing, so you can just uncheck this box and click on save. Now, this by doing this, you've given a very limited rights to the attendees. So most of the facilitators, they do say that sometimes students mute them or mute each other while they are presenting. So that is now limited. Even sharing of chatting via the chat windows would also be limited. The access for the same would be limited for the attendees over here. And so this is good to go for us, so we can go ahead and close this. So this meet is scheduled. So I hope this was helpful for all of y'all. Thank you, and stay tuned for other tutorials to help you through Teams. Thank you.